Nearly 1980s, many people doesn't know what is the role of chartered accountant and who is a chartered accountant, what he will contribute to the society, what he will advise to the economy, what are his services to the commercial world. When I was qualified in 1983, I was also not knowing better the opportunities available to chartered accountants. But after joining in profession, I came to know many opportunities. We utilized the opportunities in the right way, and we could make it successful in profession right from 1983 onwards up to now. Means the successful journey of 37 years in profession from 1983 to 2020. And now many people ask, what are the opportunities available to a chartered accountant who comes out as a qualified chartered accountant? The opportunities are many. Some of these, I will try to explain some of the opportunities available to a qualified chartered accountant. Global opportunities means you can carry on practice or you can carry on employment in any part of the world, because Indian CA Institute has entered into agreements of different countries, accounting bodies and institutes to accept equivalent to their qualification. So many global organizations are accepting Indian chartered accountants equivalent to the members, equivalent to the qualification accorded by the institutes of that respective states. So this is the way the global opportunities have emerged to chartered accountants, and other opportunities are financial management, accounting, compliance under income tax, international taxation, transfer pricing. Next is company law and indirect tax like GST, other taxes. Business solution provider. Many of the entrepreneurs feel they only know about their business, but the chartered accountants who are well versed with entire sections of commercial organizations, they know the industry's performance and analysis. With that experience, the chartered can suggest better business solutions to business community. Next, data analysis. Data is maintained by many organizations, governments, statutory bodies, and that analysis gives planning for future and performance analysis also. Project reports. If any organization wants to plan their activity in the future, we have to prepare a project report for the next 5 years, 10 years, so that we can know the planning and performance and what to do, how to do, when to do, how it is to be done. So these answers will be provided if we prepare a project report useful for a better future. If the project report is not prepared, there is a possibility that you may not be able to reach the goal prescribed particular period of time. Project report acts just like a monthly exam and quarterly exam, half-yearly exam, useful for final exam, yearly exam. Next is auditing. Auditing is nothing but third-party independent expert opinion and finance statements prepared by the management. So auditing is one more greatest opportunity recognized by all governments, especially our Indian government, has deposed a lot of confidence under the Companies Act, Income Tax Act, and various other acts. Even publicity undertakings, banking regulation, all are deposed a lot of confidence on auditing and chartered accountants in conducting auditing profession. Next is liquidation proceedings. If any commercial organization wants to close its business, come out of business, and liquidation proceedings will be initiated under the supervision of the High Court if it is a company, or NCLT if it is a company, or in the case of financial institutions under the monitoring supervision of chartered accountants. Chartered accountants are also agents for change. Businessman knows only something about their business, as stated earlier, and chartered accountants knows what to change, how to change, when to change, and how best to change, and what are the targets to be achieved. So allow, accept, adopt change policy for every businessman. Next is better planning for future. I stated earlier, project reports are self-prepared. Better planning comes when compared performance with other similar institutions, organizations, industry level performance. Valuations, stock valuation, market value valuation, realizable valuation, or all these things comes under valuations. Management information system and risk analysis. Continuously, the organizations will maintain data and will provide information. Based on that information, the data analysis, the right decisions, corrective steps can be taken by the management. That is data analysis. Cost analysis, every time there will be a possibility of reducing the cost. That cost where to be reduced without compromising for quality, supply, time, and all the cost also. So that is to be identified through cost analysis. And next one is correction methods. There may be something wrong, there may be something needs to be corrected to upgrade the performance, upgrade profitability. Correction methods also very well known to chartered accountants. Their contribution, their advice will be useful for commercial sector. Borrowing advice means if any commercial organization, if anyone wants to borrow, why he should borrow, when should borrow, how much he can borrow. That the advice can be given by chartered accountants in better manner, so that the borrower should not come under debt trap. Means earning to repay the installments only. Means whatever you are earning to repay the interest portion, financial cost, that will not give any value addition or any appreciation in future. So to avoid that situation, what should be your contribution, what should be the borrowing contribution, what should be the financial cost, all these to be planned by under the guidance of chartered accountant. Capital structure. What should be the capital structure? How much should be the fixed capital, preferential capital, share capital, promoters contribution, and borrowings, what should be the proportion, and borrowings from near family relatives and nearest friends, lock-in period, how long the capital can be accepted, and if it is refundable, just like preferred share capital, convertible preferred shares, all these things can be planned, so that how much lock-in period is required, and based on that, that can be planned. Next, productivity of resources. So whatever the resources, human and natural, whatever the resources used, maybe material, time, talent, all these things should give highest productivity for the resources used. So if it is possibility to upgrade with new technology or with additional added combination, that will ensure more profits to the business organizations. And also productivity of assets, assessment, building, land, fixed machinery, vehicles. What are the assets you are using? How they are contributing? Whether any possibility to improve assets utilization, means better utilization without reducing, without affecting the performance, without affecting the supply. Next, human resource analysis. This is nothing but performance analysis of individuals, workers, and management, employees, administration level. All this and all their performance can be analyzed through human resource analysis, and their capabilities. Sometimes even lowest person also, junior person also will give better performance than the senior most. So it is a duty of management to recognize the capabilities of the people and upgrade them, so that they can guide for higher profits and higher gains to the commercial organization. And next, the other way is bridge between the borrower and lender. Sometimes lender will finance to the borrower, but there may be a trust gap between the borrower and lender. But chartered accountants can act as bridge, trust gap between the two sides of lenders and borrowers, consumers and creditors and the company, and all assets, all financial assets or other assets of the corporation. And all people deal with the commercial organization, and inter people also, that will be useful, but as a bridge between the two sides will be an opportunity, precautionary and advisory. Every success depends upon how we plan, prevent, perform, perfection, pursue. All these things comes through precautionary only. Precautionary advice will give a lot of help, lot of support, lot of cost reduction, more profits to the commercial organization. So that is an opportunity to the chartered accountants available. The only thing is, chartered accountants in India always feel, especially from rural areas, they feel that there are only two sides of profession. One is auditing and another is taxation. But all these professions, in addition to taxation, these opportunities are available. The only thing is to be, my advice is to become a specialist, at least in one or two sections, so that the people can approach as a specialist Just like doctors who are having specialists, people will approach and they will respect the super specialty or quality performance rather than general performance. The same way, be a specialist, be an expert, become a guide, expert advisor to get more and more profits to the commercial organization and name and fame to the industry and your profession. These are the opportunities, some of the opportunities available to chartered accountants.